A big idea can change the world, and the faster it can be shared, the sooner it can go to work. At Joyent, our big idea was to rethink cloud computing for tomorrow's applications. Traditional infrastructure is complicated and inefficient, crushing under workloads, causing latency, outages, and lost revenue. So we engineered a revolutionary cloud system with industry-leading technologies that are reliable, resilient, and designed for efficiency. What does this mean for your business? Get complete control over your infrastructure with the flexibility to scale instantly. This dynamic approach makes it easier to manage costs and maximize resources. Complete transparency provides each deployment with root-level analytics, so you can make decisions based on real-time data. Run on a bulletproof stack that handles variable workloads with ease, backed by world-class reliability. Get access to innovative technology like Node.js, industry experts, and unprecedented levels of support from a partner that will inspire new solutions and ensure your success. Web, mobile, or enterprise, your application is your business. Delivering it reliably with incredible value is ours. Joyent, innovative cloud infrastructure.